Hello students, last class we discussed about refractive eye defects. Today we are going to discuss about the power of these spherical lenses which are used to correct eye defects. Okay children, here you can see a question. The far point of a myopic person is 4 meter. Calculate the power of the lens he requires to look at the stars. You know about myopia. For that person, he can see nearby objects but he cannot see distant objects. So we can say his near point is 25 centimeter like a normal eye. What about the far point? He cannot see the distant objects. That means here far point is nearer than infinity. In this question it is given as the far point of a myopic person is 4 meters. So in this case far point is 4 meter. That means if an object is at that point, he can see. Then we know how to correct this myopia. For that we have to use a concave lens. So here you can see if that person is using that concave lens, what will happen here? You know about the lenses. We have a lens formula. Through that lens what will happen? Refraction will be there. So here that object here you can see, calculate the power of the lens he requires to look at the stars. Stars are distant objects. So we can say here the object is at infinity for this concave lens. Okay. Then if that concave lens is there, the image, virtual image of that stars will be formed at this far point. Then that person can see that stars if he is using this concave lens. We are going to find the power of that concave lens. For finding power, we want to know the focal length of that lens. So here we can say object distance as infinity and that image distance is equal to the far point of that person. You know here this is a concave lens, object distance will be always negative. So here you can see V is equal to minus 4 meter. So for finding the power of that lens, we have to find the focal length. Here we can use our lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then substitute the values there. Then here you can see 1 by f is equal to 1 divided by minus 4 minus 1 divided by infinity. You know infinity means 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Why means if you are comparing that infinity with that 1, we can say that is very much smaller than that infinity. So you can write 1 divided by infinity as 0. Then this you can write as 1 divided by minus 4 minus 0. Then you will get minus 1 by 4. From this you can write that focal length as minus 4 meters. So now we have the focal length of the concave lens. Then we can find the power. You know power is equal to 1 divided by f, 1 by minus 4. So minus 0.25 diopter. This is the power of that concave lens used to look at stars in case of this myopic person having far point at 4 meter. Let us discuss another one question. The far point of a myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? Here also myopia is given. So far point of that myopic person is given as 80 centimeter. In this case, we have to find the nature of the lens. We have to write which this lens is concave or convex. That also we have to find. From the sign of the power, we can say which lens is this. So here the far point of a myopic person is 80 centimeter. You know in this case he wants to see distant objects. So we can take that object distance as infinity. If you are not putting this minus sign also no problem. I means here we are taking that as 1 by infinity. that 1 by infinity will be 0, you know. So u is equal to minus infinity, then that image distance v is equal to minus 80 centimeter, then we have to find the power. Before that we have to find the focal length by using lens formula, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So here 1 by f is equal to 1 by minus 80 minus 0. Then you will get minus 1 divided by 80. From this you can write focal length is equal to minus 80 centimeter. Children, listen here. Here you can see image distance is minus 80 centimeter. Focal length also minus 80 centimeter. Here this image distance means that is the far point of that myopic person. From this we can say for a myopic person he has to use a lens for correcting that defect. Here you can see minus sign there in that focal length. From that we can say this is a concave lens. So here we can say the focal length of that lens will be equal to the far point of that myopic person. Okay. From this question directly you can write that answer, no need to do like this. If you are getting that far point there, directly you can write that focal length as the same distance you can write as focal length there in case of myopia. So now we have the value of focal length, that is equal to minus 80 centimeter. Then we can find the power. Power is equal to 1 divided by f. I told you children, if that focal length is given in centimeters, that time we can use the equation power is equal to 100 divided by focal length, 100 divided by 80. Then you will get 5 by 4, that is equal to 1.25 diopter. Here sign is minus. So you will get power as minus 1.25 diopter, that is the power of this concave lens. Listen here children, let x be the far point of a myopic person. I told you focal length will be the same. So here you can see x, that is the far point, then the focal length will be minus x. You can see here object distance we can take as infinity, image distance that is the far point minus x, then lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, then you will get this as minus 1 by x. From that you can write focal length is equal to minus x. So if you have the far point of a myopic person, you can write the focal length of that concave lens. Let us discuss hypermetropia. Here you can see a question. The near point of a hypermetropic eye is at 75 centimeter from the eye. What is the power of the lens required to enable him to read clearly a book held at 25 centimeter from the eye? You can see this 25 centimeter, you know that is the least distance of distinct vision, that you know, near point of a normal eye. So but in this case this is hypermetropia. So for this case the near point is farther than 25 centimeter, that is given here as 75 centimeter. In this case no need to discuss about the far point, you know that far point is infinity. In this case the object is at 25 centimeter away from the lens and the image should be formed at the near point of that hypermetropic eye. So here you can write u is equal to minus 25 centimeter and v is equal to minus 75 centimeter. Then for finding the power we have to find the focal length. So lens formula we can use here, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then substitute the values in this equation, then 1 divided by minus 75 minus 1 divided by minus 25, then 1 divided by minus 75 plus 1 by 25. This you can write as 1 by 25 minus 1 by 75, then 75, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 divided by 75. Then here you can write that focal length as 75 divided by 2. Then you will get this as 37.5 centimeter. This is the focal length. Now we have that sign as positive. You know sign focal length positive means that is a convex lens. Then how to find the power? Power is equal to 1 by F. 1 divided, so here it is given in centimeters, so we can write that as 100 divided by 37.5. Then you will get this as 2.66 diopter. That is the power of this convex lens. Another one question. A person cannot see the objects distinctly when placed at a distance less than 100 centimeter. What is the power of spectacles that he should use to see clearly the objects placed at 25 centimeter? A person cannot see the objects distinctly when placed at a distance less than 100 centimeter. From that you can write the distance of near point, that is given as 100 centimeter. So V is equal to minus 100 centimeter. Then here you can see the objects placed at 25 centimeter. So U is equal to minus 25 centimeter. Then for finding that focal length, we can use lens formula. Then you will get this 1 by F as 3 by 100. That you can write F is equal to 100 divided by 3. This is in centimeter. Okay, then for finding power, you can use 100 divided by F. 100 divided by 3. Then you will get this as 3 diopter. So, power of this lens is 3 diopter. What is the power of the spectacles? The answer is 3 diopter. Here you can see x be the distance of near point of a hypermetropic eye, d is the distance of near point of normal eye, and we can take f as the focal length of the lens. Then from this you can write u is equal to minus d. Here we are discussing hypermetropia, so u is equal to the near point of normal eye minus d. You know the value minus 25. Then v is equal to minus x. Then you can see lens formula here. After substituting all these in this lens formula, you will get that focal length as x into d divided by x minus d. X is distance of near point of defective eye, d distance of near point of normal eye. So focal length is x into d divided by x minus d. You know this x will be greater than d. That near point of that hypermetropic eye will be greater than 25 centimeter. So from that you can write that focal length will be positive. If focal length is positive, we can say that is a convex lens. Next class we will discuss about the refraction through a prism.